there is a volcano in Africa that holds one of the largest and most dangerous lava lakes on Earth. At night, the glow of molten lava can be seen from miles away. Rivers of fire move slowly inside a massive crater. The ground trembles as gases rise from deep within the planet. This incredible and dangerous place is known as Mount Nyiragongo. Mount Nyiragongo is located in the Democratic Republic of the Congo in Central Africa. The volcano stands inside Virunga National Park, one of the most biologically diverse regions in the world. At first glance, the surrounding landscape appears peaceful. Dense forests stretch across the hills. Wildlife moves quietly through the vegetation, but hidden among the mountains is one of the most active volcanoes on Earth. Mount Nyiragongo rises more than 3,400 meters above sea level. Its steep slopes are formed from layers of hardened lava from past eruptions. Unlike many other volcanoes, Nyiragongo contains a permanent lava lake. A lava lake is a pool of molten rock that remains active for long periods of time. Only a few lava lakes exist anywhere on Earth, and the one inside Mount Nyiragongo is among the largest. Inside the crater, molten lava churns like a giant boiling pot. The temperature of the lava can reach more than 1,000 degrees Celsius. At night, the glowing orange surface creates a dramatic and unforgettable sight. Scientists study the volcano to understand how lava lakes behave. The lava inside Nyiragongo is unusually fluid. This means it flows much faster than typical volcanic lava. When eruptions occur, the lava can travel down the slopes of the volcano at incredible speed. In the past, this has made Nyiragongo one of the most dangerous volcanoes in Africa. One of the most destructive eruptions occurred in 1977. During that eruption, the walls of the crater suddenly collapsed. Millions of cubic meters of lava rushed down the mountain. The lava flows moved extremely quickly. Some reports estimated speeds of more than 60 kilometers per hour. Villages located near the volcano had almost no time to escape. Hundreds of people lost their lives during the disaster. Another major eruption happened in 2002. This time, lava flowed directly toward the nearby city of Goma. Goma is home to hundreds of thousands of people. The eruption destroyed large sections of the city. Thousands of buildings were buried beneath lava flows. More than 400,000 people were forced to evacuate their homes. Despite the danger, many residents eventually returned to the area. The land around the volcano is fertile because of volcanic soil. This allows farmers to grow crops that support local communities. Mount Nyiragongo remains under constant monitoring by scientists. Volcanologists study the lava lake and seismic activity around the mountain. Special instruments measure gas emissions and ground movement. These observations help researchers predict potential eruptions. However, volcanic activity is still difficult to forecast. The region around Nyiragongo also sits near tectonic fault lines. This means earthquakes sometimes occur in the area. The combination of volcanic and seismic activity makes the region particularly complex. Despite the dangers, Mount Nyiragongo attracts adventurous travelers. Hikers sometimes climb the volcano to see the lava lake from the crater rim. The journey to the top can take several hours. When visitors finally reach the summit, they can look down into the glowing lava below. The sight is both beautiful and terrifying. Watching molten rock moving inside the crater is a reminder of the powerful forces beneath Earth's surface. The volcano is also located near habitats of endangered mountain gorillas. Virunga National Park is one of the last places on Earth where these animals live in the wild. Conservation groups work hard to protect the gorillas and the fragile ecosystem. However, the region has also faced political instability and conflict. Protecting wildlife and local communities remains a major challenge. Even with these difficulties, Mount Nyiragongo continues to fascinate scientists and explorers. Its enormous lava lake provides a rare opportunity to study volcanic processes in real time. Few places on Earth allow people to observe molten lava on such a scale. The glowing crater of Nyiragongo reminds us that our planet is still very much alive. Deep beneath the surface, enormous forces are constantly shaping the landscape. Mount Nyiragongo stands as one of the most dramatic examples of these forces. And as long as the lava lake continues to burn inside its crater, it will remain one of the most dangerous volcanoes on Earth. However, the story of Lake Natron is more complex than it first appears. Not every animal that touches the water becomes preserved, but the extreme chemistry of the lake creates an environment, unlike almost anywhere else on Earth. Another remarkable feature of Lake Natron is its color. At certain times of the year, the lake appears deep red or bright pink. These colors are caused by microorganisms that live in the salty water. Special types of algae and bacteria are able to survive in the extreme conditions. These organisms produce pigments that change the color of the water. When large numbers of these microorganisms grow in the lake, the entire surface can appear bright red. From the air, the lake can look like a massive mirror of crimson, color stretching across the desert. Despite the harsh conditions, Lake Natron is also home to an incredible amount of life. In fact, it is one of the most important breeding grounds in the world for lesser flamingos. Millions of flamingos travel to Lake Natron each year to lay their eggs. The birds build nests on small islands formed by salt deposits in the lake. These islands provide protection from predators. Most animals cannot survive in the alkaline water, which means flamingo chicks are relatively safe. The flamingos themselves are specially adapted to live in this environment. Their tough skin and specialized feeding systems allow them to tolerate the mineral-rich water. They feed on the algae that grow in the lake. The same microorganisms that give the lake its unusual colors also provide food for the flamingos. This creates a unique ecosystem where life thrives in conditions that would be deadly for most species. The landscape around Lake Natron is also shaped by powerful geological forces. One of the most striking features nearby is the volcano Oldoinyo Lengai. This volcano is considered sacred by the local Maasai people. Oldoinyo Lengai is unique because it produces a rare type of lava called nitrocarbonatite. Unlike typical lava, this lava is much cooler and flows in unusual patterns. When it erupts, the lava appears dark gray or black rather than glowing red. However, the volcano remains extremely active. Eruptions from Oldoinyo Lengai have played an important role in shaping the environment around Lake Natron. Volcanic ash and minerals from these eruptions contribute to the chemical composition of the lake. Because of its unusual chemistry, Lake Natron has attracted scientists from around the world. Researchers study the lake to understand how life can survive in such extreme conditions. Some scientists believe that studying environments like Lake Natron could help us understand how life might exist on other planets. If microorganisms can survive in such harsh environments on Earth, they might also survive in extreme environments elsewhere in the universe. For example, Mars once had water and volcanic activity. Studying places like Lake Natron may provide clues about how life could survive on other worlds. However, Lake Natron is also a fragile ecosystem. Human activity could disrupt the delicate balance that allows flamingos and microorganisms to survive there. In the past, there have been proposals to build industrial projects near the lake. Environmental groups raised concerns that such development could damage the flamingo breeding grounds. Protecting the lake is important not only for wildlife, but also for scientific research. Today, Lake Natron remains one of the most unusual and mysterious lakes on Earth. Its strange chemistry, colorful waters, and dramatic landscape make it unlike any other place in the world. Standing on the shore of the lake, surrounded by volcanic mountains and red water, it is easy to feel as if you have stepped into another world. Lake Natron reminds us that nature can create environments far more extreme and fascinating than anything we might imagine. And that is why this strange lake continues to capture the curiosity of scientists, photographers, and travelers from around the globe.